Captain Reed Yaden joining me here tonight. Reed was up before the sun came up today. You were in Paoli, Indiana, Reed, storm chasing and checking out the damage. One of the first on the scene. Yep. What did you find there?
Well, found a lot of damage. In fact, we can review some video here from the Sky 11 drone. It was really not a very pretty situation when we arrived there before dawn. There is the courthouse. It was damaged. The belfry is leaning some. 4 of the chimneys got wrecked. There's the partial building collapsed there, that the part of the roof was taken off. This is all downtown. Then there's another view of the square in downtown Paoli, which is dark tonight. Lights still off there. I'm hearing it's going to be 2 to 3 days before all the power in Orange County is restored. Look at that building, the roof off. Business destroyed there. 2 businesses on the square were destroyed. Now let's move out of the downtown, out into Orange County. That's where you find businesses of a different type. They're agricultural in many cases, a farm. Look at that old barn, Doug, probably over 100 years old. There's another metal barn storing hay in there. It's totally just ripped apart. Now, this is a poultry operation here, and these big barns, the roof slipped off. There were semis coming in to take the poultry away. There's many of them still alive. And there is a house tree into the house. A lot of people are repairing damage in Orange, DuBois counties in particular. They'll be working for a long time. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on at the present time. By the way, good evening to Ray and Leslie. They were up all night with us last night, Doug. They stayed throughout the day today. They're going to get some rest tonight, though. Nothing going on. The last of the rains are out of here. And it's a pretty pleasant evening around right now. We have a northwest breeze, kind of refreshing. 72 at Ali International, 71 at Bowman. We're looking at 70 degrees out at Fort Knox. Then we get into some upper 60s at E-Town, up at Jasper and DuBois. If you're without electricity up there, at least it's not as bad as it could be if we were dealing with sweltering temperatures. Okay. Now, when are we going to get some more rain and a threat for severe weather? Well, we got a couple of really nice days coming up. Then we get to Wednesday. This is 5 p.m. on Wednesday, first day of school. By the way, Wednesday morning would be really nice when the kids head out. How about 60 degrees, Doug? Some free air conditioning. That's in the city. Now, here's the way we're looking. We'll put Futurecast into motion. 5 p.m., really just a few isolated showers starting to pop. Look at the line out to the west, though. And by 7:30, it's approaching the metro area. Okay, we move this one on through. By about 2 a.m., there's another group of showers, kind of a repeat of what we had last night, if you will. 2 lines of showers and storms coming through. There is some severe potential here. We'll discuss that here coming up. Those move on through, and by 10 o'clock Thursday morning, just some lingering showers behind. It gets a little bit cooler. Now, the severe threat is pretty low. In fact, it is basically a 1 out of 5, the way it's looking on Wednesday right now. The larger threat would be out into western Kentucky, moving down through Tennessee. So let's check the First Alert Storm Team forecast. Take a deep breath here. We've got some good weather coming up. 87 tomorrow, Doug. 84 tomorrow, I should say. 87 on Wednesday. There we begin to pick up a chance for showers. Early showers on Thursday, 84. Whoops, Friday, 90 degrees. Then the weekend, 88, 87, and temperatures in the upper 80s again next Monday. So a couple of nice, really nice days coming up. We take a break right here. Thanks for being with us on the WHS 11 Night Team.